going to do is I'm going to throw one leg over, top, here. Once I have this is not going to submit him. I'm going to hip into it.
Oh!
That's a tap.
Does it matter which leg you throw over his arm?
No, it doesn't. Not to me. I'll throw. I just prefer. Put your legs back there. Either way, it doesn't matter.
The first place is open.
As long as you can get over, if he's got his legs crossed, as long as you get one leg over top and have it locked against his legs so he can't get his legs out. Can't get his legs out and you hip in, you're gonna tap it. I didn't even put a whole lot of pressure on it. Okay? Another thing you can do here, I do this a lot, not necessarily to tap the guy because it's easy for him to escape, but I'll put my elbow in this nerve here on the shin. You do this a lot, but you're just using it to try to
clear it.
Yeah, try to clear it, which is great because they start worrying about this pain here, right? And he wants to take it off. It sucks. And I guess this might be considered a toe hold.
Are you worried about him swinging around to the arm bar?
When I do this,
I mean, on the other side.
on this side,
Is that what you meant?
Oh, I put it on the other side.
The other side?
on this side.
Compared to this side?
Oh yeah, I would feel it coming.
Oh, I'm doing it.
I know what the option. I guess I just know what the options are, so I know to
Excuse
be.
me, bro.
I know to watch out for it, right? But I'm just saying, if you to distract him, or I don't know what this would be considered. It would be considered a toe hold. Yeah. So this man, you guys, if you're competing in advanced division, then toe hold's legal. But if you're competing in beginner intermediate, it's not going to be legal. Okay. So just know that. Or if you're competing in Naga lets beginners do whatever. So in order to get it, I'm just gonna grab a hold of the toes here. My elbow is in the shin. And I'm gonna grab my other hand and I'm gonna bring him to. Okay. All right. So if he crosses his feet, this is considered a straight ankle lock. It's not considered anything but a straight ankle lock. Okay. So you guys can do this. All right, some other submissions. This one I like to do if I can get a hold of this arm. So I'm going to pull his arm, break the grip, hang on to the arm. Once I have a hold of the arm, I'm going to switch it to the other side. Here. I'm going to pinch it, turn it over, and now I can get him on an arm lock. Okay, at the same time, when I have him worried about his arm, I'm going to start traveling to the side. Head, step over, and you have the doors. Alright, so I want you guys to work the ankle lock, and I want you to work the arm lock on that side. Okay? Ready? Great.